guys, oh. We're gonna take a shower na. Ay.
Zipper.
Yes, sinula natin.
Georgie, so sexy.
Zipper mo, up.
Oh. Katamad na nga na kayo niya.
It's okay. Mama's gonna help you. Say, Mommy, help. Put buttons down. Buttons mo. Don't do that. Put it on.
Start from the top. Stop from the top.
Bottom on.
Sa pinakataas.
Go ahead. Bye.
Bye.
Let's go.
Tandaan na again, kaya mo upload it.
Perfume ng mana kayo. Dilo. Take a bath ng perfume. Diyos na yan. May lunchbox mo.
Your food. Bring your food here, oh.
Eh.
Mama. Asa si daddy niya? Kiss mo si daddy in the kitchen. Dali, he's in the kitchen.
Goodbye, Daddy.
Bye.
Kiss Daddy. Have a good day. You're a sweetheart.
Very good naman ang bata na to. Bye-bye na.
Say hi, George. Look here. Look. Say, I'm going. I'm going. Ano ba yan? I'm going. Teacher, oh, di nagsasalita.
Speak louder. I'm going
To
to
school. Say hi, guys. Welcome to my vlog. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Louder.
Hi, guys.
Speak louder, George.
Hi, guys. I'm going to school. We're here. Ay! Galing. Nag-school ka na. O, lakad na, lakad na. Galing. Oops. going akyat. Ay, ang... Knock, knock. Ala, hiya. Sisi po. Oh, ang behave naman. Dami mo naman iniisip. Show me your bag nga. What's your bag? Show me your bag. Let me see. Wow. Can you turn it around? Let me see. Wow. Coca-Cola.
Cycle may kulang original taste.
So, ito po ang kanilang library. Ayan. Wow. Daming libro. Ay, nagpapalo. So, hi, teacher!
Hey, George!
So, hi, teacher!
Hi, how are you?
How are you now?
You're good?
At least ka na go na. Bye-bye. Be good, ha? Bye! Thank you, teacher! Ba't kaya oras ng uwi mo? Gabi na. Saan ka nagpupunta?
Maganda yan, Dong. Para pagdating mo, tulog ka na diretso. Wala nang,
Panay kagala. Sarap. Sarap!
It's your eyes.
Father, Son,
Saan?
Holy.
Ganun. Ay, wag na lang. Baka naman.
Video mo niya. Lagay yung ano niya.
Busin mo kanin. Tusan mo. Put it there.
What's your plate?
Aha.
Your spoon. Your spoon. Thank you.
Ang galing.
Oh, we're going.
Where are you going?
Saan punta?
Siguro.
Bis mo naman maglaro, boss. Bis ka muna. Ayun na siya, ang gibis na siya. Saya niya, oh. Nakauwi na siya, oh. Kauwi ng batang yan. Bibis na po siya. Ayan na po. Ay, ang sexy.
Kailangan mo nang malabhan. 2 beses ka nang sinuot.
Tingnan natin kung mabobotonis niya na maayos. Gawin natin. Tugtugan mo nga ako ng magandang tunog. Dali. Oo, tinataliguran. Dali na. Pakitaan mo ko. You're so poggy. You're so poggy. Pwede na po ang kanyang hair. Sobrang haba na. Ayan, oh. Panis. Pwede nang i-braid yan. Nag-lock na naman si Bossing. Tingnan na natin kasi ayun, nagtago. Hindi na makita.